Hello everyone, I'm Jay and welcome back to English Life. In today's lesson, I'd like to teach you how to pronounce descriptions. Last week, I made a video on WH with the verb be. If you missed that video, please go back and practice that first. You can find a link to that video here. Before we begin, please don't forget to hit the notification bell to keep updated on our English pronunciation lessons. Now sit back and get ready to start describing people today. Let's give it a try. Pretty, pretty, pretty. We use pretty to describe when a woman looks good. For an example, she's pretty. Handsome, handsome, handsome. We use handsome to describe when a man looks good. For an example, he's handsome. Good looking, good looking, good looking. We use good looking to describe when a woman or a man looks good. Or we could use it to describe a couple. For some examples, she's good looking. He's good looking. They're good looking. Short, short, short. We use short to describe when someone isn't tall. Note, it's better to use a little in front of short to make short sound weaker. For an example, she's a little short. Tall, tall, tall. We use tall to describe when someone is very long. We don't use long, but rather, he's tall. Heavy, heavy, heavy. We use heavy when someone is a little overweight. Note, many people are sensitive about their weight. Therefore, we use a little before heavy. We never use fat. It's just mean and insensitive. So, you should say, he's a little heavy. Thin, thin, thin. We use thin to describe when someone is skinny. We don't use the word smart. Smart refers to someone who's intelligent, not thin. So, we would say, she's thin. Now I'd like to teach you how to describe people's personalities. Talkative, talkative, talkative. We use talkative to describe someone who likes to talk a lot. For an example, she's talkative. Quiet, quiet, quiet. This is the opposite of talkative, when a person doesn't talk much. So, you would say, he's quiet. Funny, funny, funny. We use funny for someone who likes to tell many jokes. For an example, she's funny. Serious, serious, serious. This is the opposite of funny, and it means the person doesn't take jokes well. So it would be, he's serious. Shy, shy, shy. We use shy for people that have a hard time talking to people or get awkward around others. For an example, she's shy. Friendly, friendly, friendly. This is the opposite meaning to shy, and the person is easy to talk to people and make friends. For an example, he's friendly. Now, if someone asks you, what's she like? She's a little talkative, but very pretty. What's he like? He's a little heavy, but very funny and friendly. Notice how I used the negative description first and used a little to make the word weaker sounding, followed by the positive description using the word very to make it stronger. Did you find this video helpful? I upload videos every week on English pronunciation. You can find some of my videos here. Please don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, this is Jay signing off. See you again real soon. Goodbye.